Mimi, meat. What we got going here now?
So this week,
yeah,
I'm making a meat shepherd's pie.
Meat shepherd's pie. What's that?
So that's beef.
Beef.
This is lamb.
Lamb. Not for vegans.
And this is from
Hey, where's that hat from? Oh, that's
this in Berliner.
an Ampelmann. Yeah.
You fry this for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. So what have you done?
So I've taken the meat out with a slotted spoon.
Yeah.
Put that aside. And then the leftover sort of water that's come out of the meat, you just tip away and give the pan a quick wipe out.
What are you putting in?
And there's some more olive oil. And then this is shallots, mushrooms, your favourite, mushrooms.
Shallots, mushrooms,
and carrot.
Okay, what do you do to them?
So I put them in the food processor just to finely chop them. Just because it's easier. And then just a bit of thyme.
Alright.
And then you sweat that really, so it's on a low heat. For about 8 minutes.
8 minutes, alright. That's your shallots.
So when the 8 minutes are up, you return the meat back to the pan.
Good.
And then you just add a tablespoon of tomato puree.
Yeah.
And you cook that for another 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. I'll come back in 5 minutes. I'm starving.
And then you add about 150 ml of red wine.
Ooh, you're putting wine in cooking?
And then about half a tin of chopped tomatoes.
Half a tin of chopped tomatoes.
And you cook that for another 10 minutes.
Another 10 minutes. Nice.
I think.
All that wine you sacrificed for dinner. Now what are you doing?
So then you add about a tablespoon of flour, plain flour.
Plain flour, yeah.
And give it a good stir through. And then you add 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire Sauce, which I think is probably one of the key things for this recipe, is what makes it so interesting. The other thing about this, because it's shepherd's pie, it's got that twist because it's not just lamb, it's beef and lamb, which is unusual. And then it actually says veal stock.
Veal stock?
Yeah.
But we're not doing that.
I just use beef stock.
Beef stock. So the restaurant probably uses veal, but you're doing beef.
And then you just bring that up to a simmering point.
So what did you do to the base?
So once it finished simmering, I added some salt and pepper and oregano, about 3 sprigs of oregano.
Did you change your shirt?
Well, I had to get Olivia in there somehow, and that classic film, you know, Xanadu.
Classic film, yeah, sure. Classic soundtrack, I'll give you that. That's about it. So you boiled some potatoes.
So steamed the potatoes.
Steamed the potatoes, sorry.
That's about 100 grams of butter.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Well, it should be quite rich.
Okay, 100 grams of butter.
And then...
What's that?
This is double cream.
Double cream.
I'm going rogue here, Denny.
Oh no, that's for you, Denny.
So there's about 3 kind of tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
2 to 3 tablespoons.
Or double cream. How many potatoes would you say roughly in there?
That's about 800 grams.
800 grams. That's almost 2 pounds. So you're gonna mash all that up.
I mean, some people use an electric hand whisk, but
You don't.
I can't be asked.
That's an English word. A-R-S-E. It's not a swear word. And then that's gonna top your lovely base.
Yeah.
There's a lot of meat in there. All right, see you later.
See you later.
Bye, Olivia. Here now.
So you just kind of put the potato on in dollops.
Yeah.
over it, then fork it.
Fork it or press it down.
This just gives it that crispy texture.
Yeah, and then
you put it in an oven, sort of fan 160 for about 30 minutes.
Or without a fan, that's 180.
180, yeah.
All right, perfect. See you in 30 minutes. So here we have it, full of meat, the Ivy's shepherd's pie. Mmm.